Quick video here to show you how to install this wireless LED light bar on your Razor dirt bike. This is the Razor Indain. The same applies to an MX500, MX650, SX500, and RSF650. Now this LED light bar is rechargeable. A link to this light bar is above and also in the description. Now this light bar has 5 different settings or modes. This is the brightest mode with the 3 bulbs on, and then there's the blinking mode, there's off, there's a 2 bulb mode, and then a single bulb mode. And then one of the coolest features is if you hold the light for 2 seconds, it has this small LED light bar on the bottom, which is like a daytime running light. It also looks cool at night. It's great for visibility, and it doesn't wear the battery down too much. I found this light lasts up to 8 hours, and it's easily rechargeable with a USB-C. Now I'll go over the features and what comes in the box, and then I'll show you how to install this in 5 minutes. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel, and let's get after it. This is everything that comes in the box. This is the main light body. This is the handlebar clamp. This is the spacer for the smaller handlebars. You simply slide that in there if you have the smaller handlebars. This is another spacer if you have a 28 millimeter handlebars. This is a rubber strip to add some friction to the handlebars if the clamp starts sliding around. This is a hex key with a socket head cap screw that you can use. If this turn knob screw is too big, you can use that instead. This is the charge cable, and if you need to charge the light, you're going to open this weatherproof cap and you're going to slide it in like that. And there's 4 little lights right here that will turn on to tell you if it's fully charged, which is a nice feature. So let's get started on that install. All right, to install the light, you're going to need the handlebar clamp, this larger spacer, and this 3 millimeter set screw with the hex key. Now, it's a little bit of a tight fit. You're going to take the handlebar clamp, slide it in through the left side like this. It's a little bit tight. And then take the spacer piece here, and you're going to slide it around the bottom section, so it comes out on top like that. Then you're going to turn this and put the set screw in, and you're going to thread that in so it engages. So I got it started threading, and then I'm going to move this over to it's about centered, and then use the hex key, tighten this down. Then I'm going to move it around, put it down as far as I can, and then this little set screw back out a little bit. And what you want to do is take the rail that's on the light, and you're going to slide it onto the groove that's into the bottom of the light like that, and then use that set screw on the bottom to tighten it up like that. All right, got that light installed. I hope that you liked this video. Subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments. Thanks for watching.